Hi there, this is Koko from drawwithkoko.com. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a nose, anime style. Let's get to it. When I draw a nose, I usually draw right below the ear line. So you can just maybe draw a line, and then this is where you usually draw, like small dot, small line, right below the ear lines. And if you notice, I drew like this, and you can always draw the other like a mirrored if that's easier for you. Okay, and you can add the nose, and of course like this you can add the nose, so you can see that yeah, it's a little bit more realistic in a way. And that's another popular way, is to draw a little bit more like nose line like this, and they connect to the eyebrows and eyes. Yeah, like this. Or you can add the nose hole again. So as I said, you can draw like this shape, or again you can mirror it. You can draw like this as well. Okay. Let's see. Another way is you can draw a very tip of the nose. Sorry, my son is a little bit running around the house. Yeah, so like this. I'm just gonna make a list, so you can draw like this, and you can draw like basically here, let me explain to you more. Draw a straight line, and then make more like a triangle. So this is basically, it indicates the shade of the nose, so like that. So I did something like this, and of course again the same as these noses, you can just mirror it and draw like this. It's really up to you. Okay, and sometimes you can just draw only nose holes like that. That's possible too. So here I'm just gonna draw nose hole. So this is it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn the notification on. Bye!